Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, ako lang to. Here at Pachico for me. Okay, bye. I'm here. I'm here. Come on. Woo! Nandito kami ngayon sa university guys. Sa food lab. Kami kumain ng dinner. Yes. Maganda dito guys. Yan. First time ko pumunta dito. Usually kumain kami sa Mahal Tech. Share lang ni Wigman. Oh, so nice. Tapos ang linis ng tubig ko. This one is museum. Liko. Up. Oh. Parang may spaceship dito guys, design. Tarang. Hello guys, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Dito po kami ngayon sa university. I don't know anong name nito. Yan. At the seaside. Nakalabos. At isinama nila. Yan. Yung sa harapin yung tomato field. Yung may bridge. Pwede mag-ride. Dito yung pinpoint. Yan. So, ang university is, yung seaside niya is in front of Typhoon. Parang paano lang siya. Ang tawag nito? Iikot ka lang. Yan. Nice.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower.